Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you're looking for a high quality hydrogen water bottle that comes with all kinds of awesome accessories, you're going to love this one that I got from Tyent. First off, you might be wondering, am I going to feel any different from using this water? And I have to tell you, in my experience with consistent use, I have felt more hydrated and more energy. I like to drink an entire bottle first thing in the morning at one go. I found that it really helps my day to start off well. This bottle is super easy to use. You just simply press the button on the back for a couple of seconds, and then a screen will pop up on the other side. Once you press the power, you can choose either 3 minutes or 18 minutes. This bottle holds pressure really well, even when it's been sitting for hours. It's also made from BPA-free plastic, which is important to me. I also love that the screen will show you the parts per billion. This can go up to 9,000. I like that it also shows you the negative potential value, which measures the presence of antioxidants, or in this case, the molecular hydrogen in the water. You can see all the bubbles that are coming up as the hydrogen is being infused into the water, but this is not carbonated at all. As far as the extras that this kit comes with, it comes with tubing and cannula so that you can inhale the hydrogen. It also comes with a filtration system. So there's a carbon filter with housing that you can put in the bottle. That's a really nice option if you're getting water from outside of your home where it may not be filtered. I'm so impressed with the high quality of this bottle and how I feel when I drink the water on a regular basis. I think you're going to love it too, but that's just my point of view.